Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow wheatgrass in water. First, choose high-quality hard red winter wheat berries for the best results. Place your chosen berries in a clean jar or bowl and cover them with cool water. Let them soak for approximately 8 to 12 hours. After soaking, drain the water completely and rinse the berries very thoroughly. Next, transfer your rinsed wheat berries to a sprouting jar or a shallow tray. It's crucial to rinse and drain them 2 to 3 times every day to prevent mold. This regular rinsing keeps them moist but not waterlogged. Within just 1 to 2 days, you should start seeing tiny white sprouts emerging from the berries, indicating they are ready for the next step. Now, gently spread your sprouted wheat berries onto a shallow tray that has a mesh bottom. Position this tray so the roots are just touching, or slightly submerged in, about 1/4 inch of water. It's very important to change this water daily. Fresh water prevents the growth of mold and ensures your wheatgrass receives the best hydration for healthy growth. Your wheatgrass will be ready to harvest when it reaches a height of 6 to 8 inches, typically in about 7 to 10 days. Use sharp scissors to cut the blades about 1 inch above the roots. This method allows for potential regrowth. You can usually get 1 to 2 harvests from a single batch before the quality diminishes, providing fresh juice for days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.